Assalamu alaikum students. This video is for students of class 2 and the book is Oxford International Primary Book for class 2. Page number is 14 and topic is exploring numbers and we are going to do the 2.1 to be doubles and complete the dominoes and work out in doubles. Okay, so we have to fill this. As you can see that two are there, two are filled there, so we write 3 here, 5 here, so when we will finally fill them, we will fill the double one. After that we will do this. Eight were there and we will rewrite wrote 8 and how many are there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now we have to write how many are doubles. 2, sorry, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So we have to actually sum them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 6 and if we plus 6 in it, then 6, 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Double of 7 is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next is 9 and 9 if we plus 9 more in it, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So if we plus 10 in 10, then it will be 10 plus 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Next is, sorry, complete the sentence with the odd and even. Double of a number. Sorry. Double of the numbers 1 to 10 are all how many numbers? They were almost 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 12, 12 plus 8 is equal to 12 plus 8 is equal to 20, 20 plus 10 is equal to 30, 30 plus 12 is equal to 42, 42 plus 40 is equal to 56 and 56 plus 16 is equal to 68. Sorry, 62 and 62 plus 18 is equal to 80 and 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. So these are 100 numbers. Our next is exercise. Choose the doubles you already know to work out these doubles. Split tens and ones. Just wait a second. So our next exercise is write a number that is between each pair of 10 numbers. So any number we can write between them is a number between 0 and 10 is 0, 9 or 6. Between 10 and 20 is 15. Between 20 and 30 is 24. Between 30 and 40 is, sorry, here we will write 5 because 5 is accurately between between the tens, and the number between 30 and 40 is 35. The number between 40 and 50 is 45, and you can do rest of the exercise as remember. Write one or two numbers between them. Write one or two numbers between. The first one has been done for you. Between 34 and 36 is 35. Between 9 and 11 is 10. Between 12 and 18 is 16. Between 39 and 43 is actually 30 and 40, 41, 42. So it will be 41. Actually, we have to do according to odd and even. What is odd and even? Every number that has a 6, 2, or 2, 6, 4, 6, 8 at its end is even, and the number like 43 has 3 at its end or one's position, so this is odd. So the numbers between 28 and 30 is 29, and so here is 62 and 66. Between 40 and 50 is 45. Okay, next to C is ordering and between. Cross out the numbers you have made on the square. Color in the numbers and just wait a second, class. I'm coming back. Next is 2D less than and greater than. Look at the number 8. This means that 4 is less than 8. So the trick to understand the greater or smaller sign is that we have to open the mouth of sign to the greater number. Like this, we can see that the mouth of sign is opened to 8 as 8 is greater than 4. So this means This means 8 is smaller than 16 and 16 is greater than 8. So if you can remember, then this is the sign for less than and this is the sign for greater than. So you can also remember it like this: if the mouth of the sign is opened to left, so you can learn it as greater than sign, and if the mouth of number of the mouth of sign is opened to right side, then you can learn it as less than sign. So this is the trick. We use the sign greater, less than and greater than to compare the numbers. Here we can see that exercise is given. We can write 10 here. 9 is smaller than or less than 10. 15 is greater than 14 or 13. 10 is smaller than 14. 18 is greater than 18 is greater than 12. 6 is greater than 2. 11 is less than 19. 17 is smaller than. 17 is greater than 13. So you can do it for practice. Our next topic is 2D less than and greater than. Use the place value cards to make 9 two-digit numbers and put these numbers in order from largest to smallest, largest. And here's the example of the grid. Let's suppose we make the number 91, 82, 99, 41, 55, 66, 65, 20, 34, and 28. So we will write here in ascending order or from smallest to largest. So which is the smallest one? Smallest one is 28. The largest from the larger number from 80, 28 is 34, then 41, then 55, then 65, then 66, and then and then 82, then 91, and then 99. Okay, next is write some numbers sentences to compare the numbers. This as your homework. Now rest of the exercise of class of second chapter will be done in the next video. Keep watching my video, subscribe and share it, and also like it. Thank you so much for watching me.